National Weather Service in League City has issued a flash flood warning for northern Brazoria County in southeastern Texas, northeastern Fort Bend County in southeastern Texas, southwestern Harris County in southeastern Texas, southeastern Waller County in southeastern Texas, until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:14 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 2 to 4 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include northwestern Pasadena, northwestern Pearland, Sugar Land, Missouri City, Stafford, South Houston, Bel Air, West University Place, Katy, Galena Park, Jacinto City, Jersey Village, northwestern Manville, Hunters Creek Village, Bunker Hill Village, Piney Point Village, Spring Branch West, Addicks Park 10, Spring Branch North and Spring Valley. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.